My name is Dr. Natavia Tom. I'm the R&D manager of Plasan. The workers in Plasan wake every day to save lives. This is our goal, this is our mission. So soldiers can come back to their families safely. We see the revolution of the battlefield, specifically drones and increased underbelly protection levels required. Those threats are being confronted, so there is two ways to confront them: evolution and revolution. Evolution means put more material, put another design, and we do that as well. But what we want to present today is our revolutionary innovation. I will present two of them. One is the underbelly protection, so evolution of underbelly protection against higher level of threats can be done in an evolution, meaning put more materials in the floor or elevate the position of the soldier inside the vehicle. Both means a lot of weight to the vehicle. A revolution of Plasan is an active protection system. So we are aware of active protection system against rockets, but in the sense of underbelly protection, this is the first time that someone presents to the market an active protection system. What it does, it's have sensors that knows exactly when and where there is a detonation of mine, and then activate an elevation within the seat to elevate the legs of the soldier before the floor hits that. This can reduce significantly the weight of the vehicle and the design, both for new designs and both for existing designs that are in an enhancement project. The other one is the top attack. So drones are everywhere. So we are aware of cluster ammunition that usually comes from shells that splits to many bomblets or long-distance rockets that splits. But now drones can take those bomblets, those shape-charged bomblets, and drop them precisely on the vehicle where the add-on armor is the thinnest and the lightest. So those bomblets can penetrate up to 80 millimeters of steel. And this means that evolution, or to handle it with brute force, meaning put more material, is not an option. Plasan brought to the field a smart solution we called TAPS, Top Attack Protection System. That means that we have polymeric spikes on the rooftop, which almost eliminate completely the formation of the jet, leaving only few millimeters of jet reminders, and that means remnants, and that means that instead of 80 millimeters of steel, we have a solution that weighs equivalently to only 2.5 millimeters of steel. So those both are revolutions and not evolutions for the evolving battlefield.